Unlike these water timers, they are reliable and easy to program. But the downside is it's just not possible to remotely control them. So when I'm on vacation, I want to change the schedule because it rained a couple of days. I want to stop a day or two. It's just not possible. So for prepare my upcoming trips, I made a Wi-Fi controlled water timer, and I'll show you what I did. I picked this Orbit solenoid valve from Amazon. This is the one that people usually use for the lawn sprinkler system. And for this valve itself, it's only $15. And added the one something I already have. This is the one that I don't remember where I took it down from, a system that has a 110 to 24 volt AC adapter, the transformer. This valve takes 24 volts AC. So I need this as the power supply to this. But the power supply is controlled by a relay here. And this relay is controlled by this ESP8266. These two things are very expensive, like $2-3 a piece. These module, and there's nothing I needed to, other components I need, just directly wire them. And the code is also very easy, and I already posted in the GitHub. I'm going to put the link into the video, so if you're interested, you want to do it yourself, you can just do it. You don't need this transformer. You can just buy the wall adapter for 24 volt AC, right? So this is just because I have it, and then I find the enclosure and put it in. It's just perfect. And then this is connected to that. Here's the web interface for this system. So I used the Node-RED to write this web interface. Everything is controlled through the MQTT messages. So this controller itself is taking the MQTT message and turn on and turn off the valve. And that's about it. It doesn't have the schedule, anything it's stored in here. Rather, everything is stored in the Node-RED. And Node-RED gives out this web interface as well. You can easily program it. Right now I have every day on at 7 o'clock, it turns on the water. By default, it's 30 minutes. And you can also add another schedule if you want. Say, whatever you can pick. And then, okay, that one you can see now it's Sunday, Tuesday, and the Thursday is going to turn on at 4:20. And things like this. So very easy to modify this, right? So if you have seen the rain last couple of days, you want to skip some days, you can do this way, or you can just completely disable the scheduling. That will do it. And also I put manual control here, so you can start and stop. Right now it's running, and you can stop it and run it, and then you can add more manually, add more time or reduce the time, whatever. And then this is the user interface you can remotely control from anywhere in the world, right? So when you're away from your house and it rained, you can do this remotely. All right, so lastly, I'm going to show you how I actually put it in line with my valve and everything. So here's what it looks like when it's all installed. I have this valve here with the wires actually tucked behind the siding, and then the other side comes out of here and goes to the controller. The controller, you can see there's a blue light that's slowly blinking. That means the Wi-Fi is connected. I can turn it on. Yeah, you can see that. You just turn it on, and you can see that now the lights become fast blinking. That means it's on. And then I can turn it off at the user interface. Now you can see it goes back to slow blinking to indicate that water is off, and also Wi-Fi is on. So this is the project. Hope you're interested, and give me some feedback if you want.